Hello, Product Hunt. Today, AI coding agents make it possible to start building a native iOS app in minutes. However, as projects grow, many teams run into the same pattern. The agent loses context, the code base expands without structure, and small changes become slow, fragile, and unpredictable. This is not a new engineering problem. High-performing teams have long addressed it through disciplined practices. Clear specifications before implementation, architecture that supports scaling, code consistency, and continuous verification through builds and tests. Most AI-driven workflows skip these steps, which is why maintainability breaks over time. Modaal brings senior engineering practices into the AI development loop. It acts as an orchestrator between you, your AI coding agent, such as Cursor or Claude, and Xcode, so the output remains a maintainable native iOS project as it scales. First, Modaal gathers context and produces a comprehensive specification, not a single prompt. Second, it plans ahead by defining architecture and verifying key decisions with you before building. Third, it maintains structural consistency over time to prevent architectural drift. And fourth, it builds continuously and resolves errors step by step after each change. We've kept pricing intentionally transparent. You pay a small Modaal platform fee, and you use the AI agent you already subscribe to. This keeps costs predictable and avoids surprise credit burn during debugging. Modaal is built for developers, technical PMs, and designers who want true native output and are comfortable installing Xcode and connecting an agent. We are early, shipping quickly, and we value direct feedback. Please leave a comment and I'll get back. I'm Ivan. I've spent the last 17 years building native mobile products. I shipped hundreds of apps, led development teams, and worked as an engineer at Uber and Meta.